New HP FutureSmart 4 firmware is the latest major release of HP FutureSmart, which powers an exciting, new and productive user interface. FutureSmart 4 provides a clean and simple control panel experience that makes it easy for you to use your printer or MFP and be productive in all your print and MFP-related tasks. The redesigned home screen provides quick access to copy, scan, print and fax functions. The information icon at the top of the screen allows you to change languages, discover connection settings, launch HP web services, or put the device to sleep at the touch of a button. The home screen message center also delivers error and warning messages to your fingertips for quick resolution. From the home screen, you can also quickly access the help function to find out how to get the most out of your HP printer or MFP. Swiping the control panel to the left exposes additional features such as quick sets, supplies, and reports. Features can be customized and rearranged to show the ones your users access most. Touching the scan button offers access to various destinations like email, Microsoft SharePoint, or your USB thumb drive. As you're scanning to a destination, you can load document quick sets or touch the Options button to customize your document scan settings. Touching the Scan Preview tile on the right side of the screen creates a preview of your document so you can verify your scan settings and check your document before you save or send your scan. Administrative functions are accessed by pressing the Settings button, providing control of the HP printer or MFP from a user-friendly interface. HP FutureSmart 4 provides a familiar look and feel on HP single-function printers with the 4.3-inch color touchscreen, making it easy to use the printers in your HP fleet. HP FutureSmart 4 comes standard on HP Enterprise printers that were released in 2017. It is coming to existing products throughout 2017 via firmware download. Visit your product support page to see if HP FutureSmart 4 is available for your printer or MFP. For more information on HP FutureSmart 4, visit hp.com/go FutureSmart.